Hi everyone, today I will solve this problem, which is basically of two masses that are attached to a spring and have the same mass of 20 kilograms, and the surface is frictionless, but here it has friction, and the K of spring constant is of 10 newtons per meter. So the problem is asking us for the maximum amplitude of the oscillation. In order to calculate this, we have to know that the maximum amplitude has to deal with the maximum acceleration, which is omega squared times amplitude. So now to analyze this problem, we have to focus in one block. Why? Because at the surface we don't have friction, but the other block has a friction of 0.6 of coefficient of friction. So we'll have to draw a free body diagram where we can show the friction acting on the block as well as the weight acting on the green block at the top and the acceleration. So we know that omega squared is equal to k over mass. But since we have two masses, we have to take into account mass 1 and mass 2, the total mass. Now we have to recall Newton's second law, that the force is equal to the mass times the acceleration, but in this case we only have to take into account mass 2 times the acceleration. And in the other side of our equation we'll put the friction force. Since we already know this maximum acceleration, we'll substitute that value of omega, and then in omega we'll substitute the other equation we get. And we only have to isolate the amplitude and substitute the values we already have. And that's how we'll get an amplitude of 0.0235 meters, but we have to convert that into centimeters, so we'll get 2.35 centimeters.